Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday, most of the markets were closed, and today morning, the U.S. market futures are showing more of a flattish trend. But what we are seeing that there is some increase in dollar index, which has moved up in last today also and on 31st also. So that can have some negative impact on the market. So need to be careful. Uh, Apart from that, commodities are also showing mixed reactions, wherein oil has moved up by around $1, whereas the other iron ore and steels are also showing positive signals. So the clue will be from the not much clue from the international market. We were open yesterday, but most of the market were closed. What we see that the time need to see be bit cautious as most of the fundamental data are getting released for the quarter and are not so encouraging as the market has moved up. Uh, I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during a day. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty was facing a very strong resistance at around 21,800 level, and we have seen a sharp 200 points downfall on an intraday basis in the last half an hour itself, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Now, looking towards the Asian markets, we believe our market is likely to open with a flattish note, and we might witness some sort of a profit bookings at the higher level. The support at the current level is placed at 21,670. If it's break that level, that 21,600, 21,540 levels can be tested on the downside. Whereas the positive momentum can be seen only once Nifty manages to give a breakout of 21,800 levels on the closing basis. If it manages to do the same, then the pullback rally is likely to be continued towards 21,900 to 22,100 levels on the higher side. But we have seen a very stock specific market. So we request all the traders and the investors to be a stock specific and trade each and every transactions with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the Bank Nifty has yesterday shown a sharp correction on the intraday basis. Somehow manages to hold the 48,500 levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Now, on the technical front, the immediate support lies at 48,330, 48,120 levels, whereas the resistance is placed at around 48,800, 49,100 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 21,720s, 21,840 are the two crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 21,520, 21,440. So the overall view is positive itself as long as indices trades about the mentioned support levels. As of now, we are not initiating any buy or the sell call. We will first analyze the market, how it's behave in the first half an hour trading session, and accordingly we will initiate a call. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, the overall data still continues to remain the same as yesterday. We believe Nifty is likely to witness a couple of days of consolidation, and after which good buying can be seen. The data is still positive, so nothing to really worry about at this point of time. 22,000 holds the highest call base, and that is the resistance area. The good sign is that from the base, the lower base has shifted higher from 21,500 to 21,700. Now 21,700 holds the highest put base. So that is a good sign, and it is moving up. So more likely that Nifty will move up. As I already said, even yesterday banks are likely to do well. So Bank Nifty is one to look out for at this point of time. The stocks in the banking space, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI, these are the stocks which are likely to witness good buying action. So yeah, look out for the same. They can give good returns on the long side. So that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah, good morning. BHEL has clarified that it has submitted the price bid for the 19,400 crore NLC order, but it has not yet bagged it. Yesterday there was news floating around this about BHEL. So this is neutral for BHEL. And JTL Industries has recorded good volume of 1 lakh, almost 1 lakh tons, which is a growth of 76% on year-on-year basis for Q3. And even on 9-month basis, the volume growth is 62%. Expect stock to do well. South Indian Bank Q3 business update is neutral. Loan growth is at 3.7% sequentially and 11% year-on-year. Deposit growth is muted at 2% sequentially and 9% year-on-year. Kernex Microsystems joint venture company has received an order of 109 crores for signaling and telecom works for a signaling system. So that's positive for Kernex. Thank you.
Good morning. December month auto sale volume numbers are out, where Maruti Suzuki came with 1,37,551 units, which was again below expectation, which declined by 1% on YOY basis and 16% on monthly basis. Mahindra and Mahindra auto numbers came with 60,188 units, which was again below expectations, which improved by 6% on yearly basis. Tata Motors came with 77,855 units, which was above expectations, and it improved by 4% on yearly basis and 5% on monthly basis. On two-wheeler end, Bajaj Auto, mostly the results were below expectation, where Bajaj Auto came with 326,000 units, which improved by 16% on yearly basis, but declined by 19% on monthly basis. TVS Motors came with 301,000 units, which improved by 25% on yearly basis. On Eicher Motor side, Royal Enfield booked with 63,387 units, which declined by 7% on YOY basis and 21% on monthly basis. On the CV side, Eicher Motors booked with 8,026 units, which improved, and it improved by 11% on yearly basis. On tractor end, if you talk about VST tillers, it came with 2,434 units, which declined by 47% on yearly basis. And Escorts Kubota booked with 4,536 units, which again declined by 19% on YOY basis. Also, Atul Auto results numbers were improved, as it came with 2,503 units, which improved by 16% on YOY basis and 10% on monthly basis. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Ultratech announced volume figure for the third quarter, and the consolidated volume came at 27.32 million ton, which is up by around 6% quarter on quarter and 2%, 6% year on year and 2% quarter on quarter. So the volume growth is subdued. We had seen double-digit volume growth in previous quarters, but now the growth on both year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter has slowed down. This was this is a bit negative for Ultratech in the short term. Apart from that, APL Apollo has also reported numbers, and here again the volume figures are a bit subdued. Volume came in at 6,03,659 tons, which is down by around 0.2% year on year, or more of a flattish, and also down by around 10% quarter on quarter. So the volume figures are indicating a bit softer trend, and also what we had seen that even auto numbers are not so encouraging. So need to be careful in the market in the coming period. I'll request the commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are likely to witness some pullback in commodities. Gold one can initiate a buy around 63,250 and maintain a stop loss of 63,000. On upside again, 63,500, 700 is the level we are eyeing to take profits. Silver also one can initiate a buy around 74,400 and maintain a stop loss of 73,800. On upside again 75,200, 300, one should take profits. Crude oil, we are expecting some pullback from these levels, and as long as it is holding 59.40, we are expecting prices to test 6,200 again. So, buying on dips in crude oil is recommended. In natural gas, also, prices are expected to open up today, and one should buy around 217. And we are expecting 230 to 35 levels on upside. So, buying in natural gas is recommended for the day. So copper also, there should be some pullback. Prices are supportive at 730, 729 support zone. So maintain a stop loss of 226, and on upside again 235, 236, one should take profits. In zinc, we are witnessing a consolidation in zinc from 235 to 230. So buying on dips is recommended in zinc. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all. For today's trading session in USD we are expecting some sideways to bullish momentum. So, for intraday purpose, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 83.31 to 83.28 levels with a stop loss of 83.25 for the target of 83.39 levels. And on the higher side, one can initiate also short positions around 83.39 levels with a stop loss of 83.46 for the target of 83.30. In GBP INR, one can initiate a short positions in the range of 105.98, 105.98 to 106.05 levels with the stop loss of 106.25 for the target of 105.80 and 105.70 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a short positions around, if we get any pullback around 92 levels to 92.05 levels with a stop loss of 92.20 for the target of 91.80 and 91.68 levels. Thank you.